Well, CMPIC is a product for managing cables. On any kind of large-scale construction project where there are significant numbers of cables, CMPIC will be useful for the routing, termination and installation of all those cables.
It's very rare, or almost unheard of, that we would install CMPIC in isolation of other applications, one of which is computer-aided design. From CAD, what we usually take are the design of the cableways, the trays, the penetrations, the ladder racks, trenches and so on.
We call it cable lifecycle management. So everything from the initial inception of a cable, when you first know that you need a cable to do a particular job, all the way through the routing of that cable on the tray network that we've brought in from CAD, terminating those cables so we know that a particular core colour within our cable goes to a particular terminal, particular device, all the way through then to installing those cables in a power station or on board a ship, and managing by status control, managing those cables right through their life cycle from beginning to end.
The CM in CMPIC stands for configuration management. It's a function of the product that, particularly in the shipbuilding industry, but also in power, where you have multiple units in a power station, and ships where you have multiple ships in a family. Basically, configuration management enables the user to avoid replicating data and managing it all in the same database. So you can have a single ship, multiple ships, a single unit, multiple units, but managed in the same database. Which means when you route a cable on ship 1, you can also route it on ships 2, 3, 4 and 5 at the same time, should you wish.
We think that CMPIC offers greater depth and greater breadth, for that matter, for cable management than any other offering in the marketplace. Our principal competition, such as it is, tends to come from CAD vendors who will do a part of the job. CMPIC is the only product that we're aware of that is completely specifically focused on cable management for managing this life cycle that we mentioned from beginning to end. So some CAD systems will do some of it, but they will stop part of the way through. Very frequently they won't do, for example, the installation aspects of the cable management process. So when we say CMPIC offers depth, it is because we cover that entire life cycle.